This video is going to be on implicit differentiation. I'm going to show you guys how you can find dy dx for any given equation, for example this one. And then in the end, we're going to be talking about how you can find the second order, third order derivative. And let's get started. As usual, I'm going to pull out this predefined equation. And then we want to find implicit differentiation, right? And what I normally do when I'm searching for a new function is I'll click this book. And this basically shows you like all the built-in functions in Inspire. And we want to, this is too much work to scroll down all the way to the end, right? So we want to find function that begins with I. So we just type out I, and this brings us to all the functions that begins with the character I. And we just scroll down, hoping we can find it, and here it is. This is implicit differentiation. And just looking back at the documentation, it requires an equation, independent variable, and dependent variable. So this is our equation on top, and independent variable x, dependent variable y. And, well, you see, it gives you the desired output. And just so if you guys are curious how you can, define the function and then feed this into implicit differentiation, you can do the same trick as before, but now we have two variables, right? So it's not f of x anymore. It's f of x and y. And we define this one to be this equation on top, and of course without equals to 4. And then we do the same thing, implicit differentiation. And then we type f of xy. This is equals to 4. And same trick, independent variable, dependent variable, and same output, you see. Another thing is like the first time we're looking for the function, we go to the book, but like when we know it's already existing, we can just use our keyboard and type out implicit differentiation. It's much faster. All right. So I've shown you guys how you can find dy dx, and now what if we want to find the second order derivative? It's actually in the same function. Remember this function documentation just now? There's an order here. This means like which order derivative do you want to take? So if we want to find the second order derivative, it'll be basically the same thing, but you would add one more argument, 2 here. So that's the second order derivative. And if it's third, fourth, it's the same trick. All right, that's basically that for today. And yeah.